So different stretches for musicians, instrumentalists, and people who work with their hands are this one. So think of lowering your shoulders, not lifting them. This one, so it's nice is if it has a 90% 90-degree angle. And then it seems the same, but turning around is a bit different. Always breathing through your stretching. Then I'm going to turn around for this one. Interlacing your fingers, you can either do it like this, or this is a more severe stretch. You can look up a little bit. And with an exhale, you let it go. And then there's another one. So that's lifting the hand, the arm, and also the hand, and then the neck like this. You should feel it. And last one is swimming the fingers in front, catching it with the other hand, lowering the shoulders and just pulling a bit. Very nice. So that's it. Keep on moving, stretch enough, and take care. See you next time.